In a bookstore brimming with tales waiting to be discovered, a young woman with an affinity for stories seeks her next adventure. Lost in the labyrinth of words, a man with a hunger for knowledge delves into the heart of a timeless tale, his eyes alight with intrigue. Amidst the symphony of rustling pages, two souls bond over the magic of storytelling, their laughter echoing in the hallowed halls of knowledge. In a forgotten corner of the bookstore, a clandestine treasure beckons, its presence whispering secrets of bygone eras to those brave enough to seek its truths. Fingers tracing ancient runes, two minds merge in a dance of intellect, unraveling the coded language of the past to unveil the path to an unknown destiny. With time as their relentless adversary, two seekers of truth navigate a perilous maze of riddles, their hearts pounding in sync with the ticking clock of fate. In the crucible of danger, a lone figure stands defiant, her sacrifice a testament to the strength of a bond forged in the crucible of adversity. From the shadows emerges a trickster, a malevolent spectre of chaos, sent to sow discord in the hearts of the valiant, testing their resolve with a symphony of mischief. Two souls, bound by fate and an unbreakable spirit of camaraderie, unlock the final door to revelation, their combined light dispelling the shadows of uncertainty. In the heart of the storm, a beacon of ancient wisdom shines anew, its power transformed by the purity of two kindred spirits, now protectors of its luminous legacy. Amidst the hush of whispered promises, two wanderers find solace in the silence, their gazes meeting in a dance of understanding that speaks volumes beyond the reach of words.